Dirt, what poppin', man? It's your Black Swag Drizzle, man. Y'all already know how we rockin', man.
In this video right here, man, I'm finna go over some of my top picks brushes, man. When it come down to brushing my 540s, my top brushes that I use.
When I'm brushing my 540s, man, I promise you don't wanna miss doing. You feel me?
You already know how we rockin', man. Hey, stay tuned, man.
They wanna ride my way. Now they blow what I got shades. They ain't wanna see me grow. They hate on low. They hate on low. They hate on low. Yeah. I just wanna win. Can I do that? Yeah. I don't want you girl, cause you boo bad.
What's good, Notification Gang? It's ya. Swag Drizzle, man. Hey, if you're new to my channel, you want to learn more about how to get waves, man, be sure to hit the subscribe button and click the bell so you don't miss another video. Look, we're gonna jump right into it, man. In this video right here, we talking about some of my top picks when it come down to choosing a brush for your 540 waves, man. I ain't gonna even lie to y'all, man. I'm really a Torino Pro type of guy, only because the way they design when it come down to the bristle alignment and the rolls and all that, I feel like all that plays a big part when it come down to brushing your 540 waves, man. So all these brushes right here that I'm about to show you, they're part of the Torino Pro line, you feel me? If you don't rock with the Torino Pros, you can use the Royalty. You can really use any brush when it come down to brushing your hair. But for the 540s, if you want to really take your 540 to a whole nother level, you feel me? You might want to get to a couple of Torino Pros, man. A couple of Torino Pros would definitely do the trick, man. We're going to hop right into it with this first brush right here, man. This brush right here, man, is a Torino Pro dual paint job. It comes with the blue and gold. I don't really know the number on this, but I'm going to try to link it down in the description. This brush right here is a 9-row brush, man. It's a white bristle, which means it ain't gonna have the same pull like a black bristle brush, but for the white bristle, man, I like these because it's unique. The style of it, man, you feel me? The style of these brushes, they still got good pull to it, enough. I use this mainly to lay down my hair after a good session with the other brushes that I'm about to show you. So yeah, this is the Torino Pro dual paint job on it. I don't really know the number, but yeah, this is the dual paint job. That's what I'm gonna call it. The next brush that I'm about to show you is also a 9-row brush, man. This is one of the OG Torino Pros, man. I don't have this brush right here for like 2 years, man. 2 years.
Jesus Christ.
That's a long time to have a brush and it still do the job. You feel me? That's why I recommend you investing into a good brush. You feel me? One investment into one good brush, man, you won't have to really worry about too much. You feel me? You can use this same brush for years to come. You feel me? And this the black bristle, like you seen. This the black bristle right here. I just love this brush, bro. I love this brush. Look, the way the bristles lined up, it make it easier to vertical brush with these brushes, man. That's why I rock with the Torino Pro. All my Torino Pros are 9 rows or better, you feel me? 9 rows or better. You gotta have the 9-row brush. This right here is the Torino Pro 5556. I don't know if they still make that brush, but the Torino Pro line is worth buying. Not only the Torino Pro though, you can find some good 3WP brushes. The Royalty brush, pretty good. Nick Webber got some brushes out. But me personally, I just rock with the Torino Pros. The next brush right here, I call this brush right here the Green Goblin.
I could squash you like a bug right now, but I'm offering you a choice.
It's the Green Goblin, man. And the reason why I call this brush the Green Goblin is because the pull of this guy is amazing, man. Like, I think this brush right here got the best pull out of all my brushes. This is one of the recent drops, you feel me? I think this brush just recently dropped. I think last year, you know, he was dropping 52 brushes. But yeah, man, this right here, that Green Goblin, like I said with the other ones, the way the bristles lined up, making everything superb to vertical brushing. Last but not least, man, this brush right here is a part of the curve line, man. You feel me? The curve line. It's one out of the 2 curve brushes that I own, and this one right here is the burgundy. I call this right here that barbecue chicken right here, man. So, because that burgundy hint on that guy with the white bristle line. It don't matter what kind of brush you get. If you don't put in that work and your brush don't, you feel me? This brush dirty, man. That mean I've been working. I know it can be a little nasty, but that mean I've been putting in that work. It don't matter how many brushes you have, if you ain't putting in that work, what's the point? What's the point of having it? You feel me? What's the point of having it? This right here, I mainly use this brush right here for my crown area only. Tip of this brush right here gonna really get to the point of your crown, bro. You feel me? Make you close that crown up even better. These are my top 4 picks when it comes down to choosing a brush and why to choose these brushes for 540s, man. You wanna get a 9 roll or better. You can get a 9 roll, 10 roll, or 11 roll, you feel me? And then get at least 1 crown brush, man, you feel me? You wanna get like a medium crown. If I buy another crown brush though, I'm not gonna get the white bristle. These black bristles right here, man, they really do the trick, bro. You feel me? Like, they really do what I need them to do. And that's what I look for in a brush, man. I look for that pull and everything. Links down below if you want to cop a brush, man. You feel me? Now I'll see you on the next video.